Welcome to Magitudes. Here's how to assign roles on Discord when using an iPhone. First of all, simply open up the Discord app. Now the second step is to click on your server's name. In my case here, we are on my server called Linguaholic. Then scroll down a little bit and go into Settings. In the settings, again, scroll down until you can find Members. Then click on Members and you will now have a list with all the members on your server. Now, to assign a specific role to a member on your server, simply find that member first here in this list. You can browse through the list like this, or you can also input the name here in the search. And once you have found the member that you would like to assign a role to, you can simply click on any of these roles here that you can see, or you can click on that arrow on the right side. And from there, scroll down a bit again and go into Edit Roles. Now you will see a list with all the roles that you have on your server. And now to assign a role to this member here through MLG Pro, all that is left for me to do is to click on that very role and to make sure that you see a tick next to it. Once you have that green tick symbol, you can be sure that this role has now been assigned to that very member. If you chose a role by mistake, simply tap on it again and the assignment will be gone. Also, when you successfully assigned the roles that you want to give this member, don't forget to click on Save in the upper right corner of the screen to make sure that these changes are finalized. There is actually a second way to assign roles on Discord iOS. So instead of going into the server settings by clicking on the server's name, in my case here Linguaholic, another way to assign a role to a specific member is to swipe to the right here until you will arrive at the members list. Now browse through that list and choose the member that you would like to assign a role to, tap on that member's name, scroll down a bit, tap on Manage, then choose Edit Roles, and you will end up seeing all the roles that are currently present on this server. And now to assign a specific role to that member, simply tap on that role and you will see the green tick symbol appearing next to it. Once that is the case, you can rest assured that this role has now been assigned to that member. To finalize the changes, simply click on Save in the upper right corner of the screen. If you assigned the role by mistake, simply tap on the role again and the change will be reverted. When all the changes have been done, click on Save in the upper right corner and you're all set. Let us now have a look at how to assign roles on Discord Android. First of all, simply open up the Discord app. Then click on the server's name. In my case here, it's Magitudes. Now tap on Settings. Once you are in the settings, scroll down a bit until you see Members. Tap on Members. You will now get a list with all the members on your server. Now browse through that list and select the member that you would like to assign a role to. Then simply tap on the name. And you will now see a list with all possible roles. So if I want to make this person a moderator, I will simply tap on Moderator and you will see that the tick symbol will appear. This member is now a moderator on my server. To revert the changes, simply tap on Moderator again and you will see that the tick symbol is gone. Instead of assigning roles to members from the server settings, you can also assign roles in yet a quicker way. To do that, swipe right once or twice, depending on where you are in the menu, and make sure that you can see the members list. Once you have the list with members, to assign a role to a specific member, first look out for that member, and once you found the member, simply tap on his name. Then tap on Manage User and you will now see all the roles that are currently set up on your server. To assign a role to this specific member, all that is left for you to do is to tap on the role And you will then see the tick symbol appearing next to the role's name. So we just made the member Azteca a moderator on my server Magitudes. To revert the changes, tap on moderator again, which simply means that this person is now no longer a moderator on my server. And that's it, guys, all you need to know about how to assign roles on both Android and iOS. If this tutorial indeed solved your problem, I would be most grateful if you could subscribe to my channel, and in that case, please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a great day, guys. Bye.